GIFC Fashion Women's Classics Buckle Warm Shoes for by GIFC is one of the best sellers among baby scales products. Please select the size according to the size chart in the picture, not Amazon size chart, before placing an order. Any questions, please feel free to contact them. Material: rubber, PU closure. Suitable scenes: outdoor, fashion, leisure. A fresh line of young contemporary shoes brought to you by designers who travel the world for inspiration and forward trends to bring happiness and cool looks to your feet. Note: as different computers display colors differently, the color of the actual item may vary slightly from the above images. Please check the size chart before order. If you are not sure the size, please send message to them. Keywords: Fila shoes, women, flat shoes for women, keen shoes women, women running shoes, slip resistant shoes for women, black shoes for women, swim shoes for women, blowfish shoes for women, work shoes for women, women's shoes, clearance steel toe shoes women, red shoes for women, rockport women shoes, lifestride shoes for women, pumps shoes women, Salomon shoes women, white wedges shoes for women, heels and pumps, New Balance women, walking shoes women, water shoes, canvas shoes for women. Keywords: shoes women, Nike shoes women, water shoes for women, Vans shoes for women, running shoes women, Mammon shoes women, Vionic shoes for women, wedges shoes for women, Brooks running shoes women, Puma shoes women's, Clark's shoes women, shoes for women, flats shoes women, running shoes women, shoes for women, tennis shoes for women, women's shoes, walking shoes for women, naturalizer shoes for women. Welcome to the manufacturer's shop, dear friends. The manufacturer's store is called Wang Hao. The manufacturer love every customer's business with them. Product details: size CN, 35-foot length, 22-22 5 centimeters, 8-7-8, 9 inches foot wide, 8-8 5 centimeters, 3-1-3, 3 inches EU, 36 UK, 3 US, 5-5. Size CN, 36-foot length, 22 5-23 cm, 8-9-9, 1 inches foot wide, 8-5-9 cm, 3-3-3, 5 inches EU, 36 5 UK, 3-5 US, 6. Size CN, 37-foot length, 23-23 5 centimeters, 9-1-9, 3 inches foot wide, 9 centimeters, 3-5 inches EU, 37 5 UK, 4 US, 6-5. Size CN, 38-foot length, 23 5-24 cm, 9-3-9, 5 inches foot wide, 9-9 5 centimeters, 3-5-3, 7 inches EU, 38 UK, 4-5 US, 7. Size CN, 39-foot length, 24-24 5 centimeters, 9-5-9, 7 inches foot wide, 9-5 centimeters, 3-7 inches EU, 38 5 UK, 5 US, 7-5. Size CN, 40-foot length, 24 5-25 cm, 9-7-9, 9 inches foot wide, 9-5-10 cm, 3-7-3, 9 inches EU, 39 UK, 5-5 US, 8. Size CN, 41-foot length, 25-25 5 centimeters, 9-9-10, 1 inches foot wide, 10 centimeters, 3-9 inches EU, 40 UK, 6 US, 8-5. Size CN, 42-foot length, 25 5-26 cm, 10-1-10, 3 inches foot wide, 10-10 5 centimeters, 3-9-4, 1 inches EU, 45 UK, 6-5 US, 9. Size CN, 43-foot length, 26-26 5 centimeters, 10-3-10, 5 inches foot wide, 10-5 centimeters, 4-1 inches EU, 41 UK, 7 US, 9-5. Material: PU, rubber. Toe style: round toe. Closing method: slip-on. Shoes heel high, 3-5 centimeters. Platform hay, 2 centimeters. Package: 1 pair women's shoes, not including shoebox. The manufacturer's principle and purpose: customer satisfaction is the manufacturer's business principle and purpose. The manufacturer will try the manufacturer's best to service every customer well. Management: The manufacturer manage many kinds of products such as dresses, hat, underwear, toys, products for children and so on. Wish you happy shopping. Package shipment. Your order will be processed within 72 hours after you ordered. Please be patient to wait for your package. Customer service. The manufacturer has a professional after-sales service team to assist if you have any questions. The manufacturer are willing to give you the best service. Have a nice day.